Good morning, friends. My name is Amrik Plaha from East Punjab, India. And at present, I am working for Government of Fujairah as the restorer of historical monuments since last 24 years. I am in this restoration field from last 41 years, and I have worked in 2-3 countries in the same field. I have been working with the various architects who belong to UNESCO, and they have worked in UNESCO for the restoration, and those people are authorized to certify the quality and the finishing of the work done, and to certify it as the international laws of restoration. मैं रणजीत नागरा ग्रुप ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਕੰਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਾਂਝੀਆਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਏ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਰਾਏ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜੀ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸੇਵਾ ਭਾਵਨਾਵਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹਿਤ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਸੇਵਾਵਾਂ ਐਜ਼ ਏ ਵਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਸੇਵਾਦਾਰ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂ। ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲਈ ਰੈਸਟੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੰਮ ਲਈ ਅਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਲਈ ਹਰ ਵਕਤ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼੍ਰੀਮਾਨ ਸਤਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਧੰਨਵਾਦੀ ਹਾਂ। Thank you. When I was invited in 97 to restore this fort, so they gave me this piece of rubble, it has totally destroyed. So I came with my team, that was my condition to the ruler of Fujairah and to Diwan Amiri. So I bought my trained team to do this work. So after 3 years, 2.5 years, I did this work, and now I will show you how it looks now and how beautiful it has come. So just I will show you the next clip of that finished work. So you can see this is the same fort after the restoration, and not only the fort, we have a complete village. We have lot of dwellings around the fort which I start restoring, and you see the result after the restoration. All the dwellings, mud brick work and stone work, how beautifully it has come out. But it took me 20 years. Look, it's the same fort. It's beautiful, really. To this traditional village, we have made a beautiful traditional entrance which you can see here. This is a new creation, but very much with the traditional features. This is a hard work of the ruler of Fujairah and myself. We have hours and hours of meetings to create such a thing which will last forever for the country. So you see the shisham wood doors to the traditional village, and just in front of you is the fort which looks over on top of the village, showing its greatness. And you see still my work is going on. My people are doing the stone paving. You can see still we are doing the same work which was being done few hundred years ago, like that. This is the house of the Sheikh where our ruler was born. Look, the door, beautiful carved Burma teak door, very nicely done. And this is the waiting room with nice arches, traditional arches. And this is the complete house. Inside are the waiting area, and rest is the house you can see inside, but very well restored. Yeah, this is another house of our Sheikh, which is just 10-15 kilometers from the main town. It was given like this to me to get it restored. It's the raw mud bricks, and it took me almost 3 years to get it completed. And you see, this is after completion. It's the same angle, and it's mud plaster and the traditional plaster which was being done on those days. So very nicely done. It's really a monument to be visited here and to see the real Arab culture. Another fort, it's called Bitna Fort. You see how much it is damaged. But we did a good job. My team really worked very hard, and you see the result. This is the result. It has come out like this. Another beautiful, beautiful monument, which is worth seeing. Another fort restored very recently. It's called Dibba Fort. And I have like 12 forts like this. This is another also called Habba Fort. And still it's going on. We have many monuments to be restored. And I think you will like my video. Thank you very much for watching this one. Thanks a lot to everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.